Hey guys, RJ here, and today I just want to help you guys out with an issue that some of you might be facing for Resident Evil Requiem, and this is for the cracked version, of course. So here's an example of an error code that you might be seeing when you boot up the game, and then it immediately crashes with a black screen and all of that. As you can see, it says here an unhandled exception has occurred. So usually in this case, there might just be some discrepancies on the game files, especially if you have Steam installed or maybe an internet connection or an improper install. So a quick fix on this is to just download certain files in a Nexus Mod Manager. So I will be dropping down the link below on the description. But as you can see here, I already have it open. You just need to go down here. You can see here, this is the RE framework mod. And just go to files. Here are some of the old ones that the uploader has sent out, and here's the latest one. Just click on manual download, and note that you do need to have yourself logged in for Nexus Mods, so feel free to create an account if you haven't done so. Alright, so downloading now. Should just be a fairly small file. Alright, so we have it downloaded. Now open it up. And as you can see here, there is only one file, the dinput8.dll. All you need to do is have this extracted, copy and paste it onto your game files folder. And once you have everything done, once you boot up the game again, it should work. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much, and you have a nice day.